Whenever we hear someone talking about a parrot, this colorful bird that repeats a sound in front of it immediately comes to our mind. But today we will tell you more in-depth information about the parrot. It will help you in the event that you are thinking of owning one in your home, or you are interested in collecting information about birds in general. Australia and New Zealand. Few types of parrots prefer life in cooler climates, and parrots are one of the most popular pets in the world. Unfortunately, due to the illegal pet trade, nearly 100 species of parrots are critically endangered in the wild. Parrots can range in length from 4 to 40 inches, depending on the species. All parrots also have curved beaks and strong legs that end with 4 toes. 2 toes point forward, 2 toes back. Arrangement of sharp toes and claws facilitates life on trees and ensures a firm grip when parrots rest on branches. Parrots are the only birds that are able to pick food with their feet and bring it to the mouth. Some parrots are able to imitate the human voice. Parrots are very intelligent animals. The African gray parrot, named Alex, was able to learn how to count to 6, answer questions, recognize 7 colors, and identify 35 different creatures. Parrots can be active during the day, as diurnal animals, or at night, as nocturnal animals, depending on the species. Parrots are omnivores, they eat other animals and plants. Their diet consists of seeds, nuts, fruits, flowers, and insects. Parrots live in large groups, called flocks, usually consisting of 20 to 30 parrots. Parrots make very loud noises and use body language to communicate. The main predatory organisms for parrots are snakes, birds of prey, monkeys, and humans. Parrots build nests in tree holes, hollows of cliffs, termite mounds, and use underground tunnels. Most species of parrots are monogamous. One pair creates a bond that lasts forever. Females lay from 2 to 7 eggs, which hatch after an incubation period of 22 to 30 days. Both parents take care of the chicks. At birth, young parrots are covered with thin feathers and blind. After 2 weeks, their bodies are completely covered in feathers and they are able to see, but they stay with their parents for some time. Young parrots reach sexual maturity at 1 to 4 years of age, depending on the species. The lifespan of a parrot varies from one species to another. Small parrots usually live 15 to 20 years, medium-sized parrots 25 to 30 years, and large parrots 60 to 100 years.